Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to adjust the screen brightness on iPhone. So let's jump right in. First, open the Settings app. Go to the Display and Brightness settings. In the Brightness section, you will see a slider. Drag the slider left or right to adjust the brightness level according to your preference. Moving the slider to the left reduces brightness, while moving it to the right increases brightness. And this is how you can adjust the screen brightness on iPhone. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.